In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a debit card at Charles Schwab. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google and type in Charles Schwab, and then the first website is of course their official website, which is schwab.com. You want to go to that website and make sure it's their official website, yet again, schwab.com, and you want to open an account by clicking Open Account up here, and then you want to put in your location, so you can select it over here from China, Hong Kong, Singapore, UK, or all other countries. Click on it and press go. And then from over here from the next page, you want to click Open Your Account again. And then those are all the things you have to prepare to be able to open your account, so make sure you get those ready. And then you want to select your country and region yet again over here. For me, I'm going to put in UK. And then it will prompt you to open an account. Over here, you can select if you want the individual one, the joint, the trust, the corporate, or the US retirement account. But for these ones, so for these two, you will have to essentially contact Charles Schwab themselves to be able to open your account. However, if you have these three, you can do it online automatically yourself. So if you choose individual, just click over here where it says continue, and then put in all your information and just follow the prompts on your screen, put in all your real data, and you'll be able to open up your account. Now, once you've done this, you want to actually go to schwab.com/checking and also open up a checking account. So if you go to Google and type in Charles Schwab checking account, you'll be able to come to this website over here, which is essentially schwab.com, but with their checking variant, and then you want to open a checking account via clicking this Open a Checking Account over here. You'll then have to proceed with your Charles Schwab account, and then once you've done this, if you go down to the very bottom over here, as you can see, there's a quick tutorial on how to get a contactless Schwab Bank Visa Platinum Debit Card. So you want to click over here, and it says you can receive a new contactless card in one of two ways. The first one is go to the debit card reorder page on schwab.com, and then you have to choose the upgrade to contactless button, verify your address, and then click request card. Your card will then be mailed to your address that you choose, and you should receive it within the next 3 to 5 business days. And the second option you have is you will receive an upgraded contactless card upon expiration of your current card. So there's nothing you need to do essentially. Your new card will be shipped to you in a month or so before the expiration of your current card. So that's pretty much it. That's how to get a Charles Schwab debit card. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.